Hey guys, let's take a look at IELTS reading short answer. Okay, so this is what it looks like on test A. You can see the passage of text, you can see the instruction, and you can see the 3 questions with question marks. Let's go through some tips before we look at the method. Okay, so the questions come in order. That is, the answer to question 1 will come before the answer to question 2, and so on and so forth. Now, the target words that you'll need to use for the answer to the short question are usually nouns or adjectives, okay? Keep that in mind. Now, the word or words must come directly from the text. Don't change it. You don't change it. You take it directly from the text as it is, and that is your answer. You don't change it. You copy it directly. In the computer-delivered test, you will write the word or words into the gap. And in the paper-delivered test, you'll write the word or words directly onto the answer sheet. Cool, let's take a look at the method and we'll do some practice. The method is like this. You'll check the instructions, you'll read the questions to identify keywords, you'll scan the text for the relevant section, you'll read carefully, then you'll choose the right answer. So let's check the instructions. It says, choose no more than 3 words from the passage for each answer. So you can have 1 word, 2 words, or maximum 3 words. Sometimes this gets a bit confusing when it's like 3 words and or a number, etc. Make sure you understand that. Then you'll read the questions and identify keywords. So if we look at question 1, what is predicted to make bushfires worse in the future? They are the keywords that you will then use to scan the text for the relevant section. And if you look closely here, you can see, will the severity, incidence, and intensity bushfires, okay? Worse, that's the synonym there. Then you'll read carefully. It says, intense bushfires have the potential to devastate ecosystems, biodiversity, human health, livelihoods, and economies. And now experts say that climate change will increase the severity, incidence, and intensity of bushfires in many regions. If we read the statement again, what is predicted to make bushfires worse in the future? Which word or words, especially nouns or adjectives, are the correct word or words for that answer? The answer is climate change. Okay, your turn. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to answer number 2 and number 3. Okay, let's go through the answers now. So, when did Aboriginal people traditionally light fires? Well, you can see the keyword there, Aboriginal people. And if you look closely, you can see the text here. The solution, some suggest, lies in the past. Over thousands of years, Aboriginal people in Australia have used fire to manage natural resources and as an integral expression of culture. Burning was often undertaken in the early dry season when fires can develop gently and be easily controlled. Number 2, when did Aboriginal people traditionally light fires? Early dry season. Now, here's a little point, or an important point. If there's an adjective like early here, you wouldn't just write dry season, you would also incorporate the early dry season because that is more correct. Okay, so make sure you capture that little part if you need to. Number 3, what was removed by the fires Aboriginal people started? Such burning eliminated or removed, there's the synonym. And if you read more closely, you can see fuels is the correct answer there. Cool, how did you go doing that? If you need more practice, simply go ahead and do some practice on the platform.